everyone. Welcome to this new video on LapInside. Today, we're going to upgrade the RAM and SSD of an ASUS A1504VA laptop. This laptop currently has 8GB DDR4 3200MHz RAM and a 512GB SSD, but we'll upgrade it to 16GB RAM and a 1TB SSD for a huge performance boost. If you have a similar model or want to learn how to do this upgrade, stay tuned till the end. Now, let's get to the main part. First, we'll power off the laptop and remove the battery to ensure no electricity is running. Then, we'll open the back panel to access the RAM and SSD slots. RAM upgrade: carefully remove the existing 8GB RAM. Install the new 16GB DDR4 3200MHz RAM in the slot. Make sure it's properly locked in place. SSD upgrade: remove the old 512GB SSD. Replace it with the new 1TB SSD. If needed, install the OS or transfer data to the new drive. After closing the panel, we'll turn on the laptop and check the BIOS to confirm the new RAM and SSD are detected. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future videos. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.